EPS has been flooding the papers with his photo and his achievements. With his photo and his achievements. And it was about 64 crores was spent. The opposition led by DMK, Honorable Stalin, naturally as opposition party, they filed a case before the petition before the Honorable Madras High Court as bill. And the DMK party is represented by learned former Advocate General Mr. Wilson, and he is now representing. The government will be represented by learned Vijay Narayana, and the bench comprised of Chief Justice and Honorable Lordships Sendil Ram, brilliant judges. You must, everyone, this is a great opportunity. It is a great opportunity. I am not saying, we had Mr. Honorable Lordship Sahi, it was wonderful. And now the Honorable Chief Justice, extraordinary, extraordinary. He will go to Supreme Court. Nobody should lose that opportunity to listen to him. And he's a born genius. The law is in his fingertips. Citations are in his fingertips. The quickness with which he comes to the facts, above all, he will be able to give a solution for that facts. Best solution. Best solution. I will talk to you in my many cases. I am seeing him. I am taking his golden opportunity to hear him. Great lords. Now see the case. What is the grievance of DMK party? EPS should not spend money. Public money is being wasted. Now the matter is come before court. Election Commission rule as notification has not come. So what's wrong if a ruling party which wants to showcase their achievements over a period of 4 years, which law prevents them? Very tough task on hand for Mr. Wilson. Most difficult thing is that at the best what can happen is notice will be given. By the time notice next time hearing comes, the case will become infructuous. Secondly, you see, the Chief Justice recently, there was allegations made against a minister, and Chief Justice has posted after elections. The Honorable Chief Justice very rightly, see the solution he gave, taking both parties into consideration. Here is the minister, he is alleged of corruption. It may be true, may not be true. Suppose the court says some notice, something they tell and start arguments, then papers will interpret it in their own way, and that perception of people will change against him. Dangerous. It may be so. You cannot judge, come and say, no, he has not, he is free. Nobody can say. So perfectly, during the election process, why should you penalize a person? And the two courts, see the judgment. Justice to all is not justice to one. You know the bench is very clear on this. Second, any other bench also will only give notice. If not, they dismiss it. Because election notification has not kicked in. Therefore, the court, of course, this comes, court doesn't come into play. Election Commission will have to take care. But then, every government does in power. So, they may mostly give notice. That was the writing on the wall. And see how this advocate, Mr. Wilson, senior advocate, converted it into what he wanted, he achieved. What he could not, nobody could get, he got it. That is the how. I've been watching. The Honorable Leonard Wilson sir is very pleasant person, very pleasant and soft, and but when he starts the game, he presents it with force, very tough force, but very polite. So it's a gentlemanly force. He doesn't lose. So he came to the court knowing fully well the Chief Justice is extraordinary. So he has been supported by the provisions of Election Commission and also Supreme Court judgment. And Chief will be listening calmly. When he tells the judge, oh, we are clear. Like that, fingertips. He doesn't come prepare his knowledge, his law, like that. Then when he completed, he projected as if the public money has been completely spoiled, literally. But then both of them said, Sendil sir, Honorable Lordship Sendil, told them, it's all right, we'll give notice, he said. Immediately, Advocate General Vijay Narayanan came into the picture. Vijay Narayanan sir also is smooth like a Ganges water. Slowly he will explain, calmly. You should all learn. You should never miss them. And he explained that throughout this, every government for 4 years, they will project their achievement in the last year. And the money is spent for that. There is nothing wrong. Election Commission notification is yet to come. And but he said, from 18th, the government has taken a decision not to give any advertisements. Like he was telling in the passing reference. Then he started explaining. Immediately, judges were decided to issue notice. Then Election Commission representative advocate came in, and he has come into the picture and said, we also got a notice and we issued notice. Complaint was received and they have not replied, and give us 10 days. We will submit the status report. And then it's almost over. Then Mr. Wilson jumped. He said, I have interim stay. You please give me my lots. And this is against this thing, like that. Both the judges were looking, no. Sendil sir said, no. Unless we hear other side, how can we give? Immediately, Chief said, see, there is a thin line of difference between what you say, showcasing the achievements, and then misusing the funds to project oneself. But one thing is clear, every government does. Tomorrow if your government comes to power, you are going to do it. There's nothing. At that juncture, immediately Wilson sir said, no lords, he has already said they will not give advertisement in TV, public media from 18th. So please record that. Chief asked him, did he say that? Where is the Advocate General? Advocate General also, he was telling in the speed, so he captured that. You see how a senior advocate got it. He did not even talk on that, waited. At the end, before the case notice was to be given, recording the notice. He won it. Today, every media wrote it. He achieved the objective. That is what is called senior advocate. So friends, these things one has to learn by watching, understand. You will understand very easily and you will. It's a great opportunity that one of the best, great judges is a combination of Solomon and Salmon. That is the law. I am just, since I am teaching students on this judicial process, I want to develop this structure, write books on this. So you please comment on this and give your opinions. Let us share our knowledge. Thank you, friends.